In this video, you will learn about forming questions to get more information about an action that happened in the past. This topic is a part of sentences. You have learned about question words like when, what, why, where, and who, and how to form sentences using them. As learned earlier, use was or were to form a sentence in the past tense. For example, he was sleeping, or they were sleeping. The words was and were tell us that the action was done in the past and is now over. Let us take a look at how to ask for more information about an event in the past. To form questions to get more information about people, use who. Begin with who, use was or were, and add the pronoun. Add the action you want more information about and a question mark. For example, who was it? Or, who was she talking to? Or, who were they looking for? To form a question in the past tense, the structure of the sentence remains the same for all question words. Use the question word what to get more information about the action or event. Begin with what, use was or were, and add the pronoun. Add the action you want more information about and a question mark. For example, what was he playing? Or, what were they doing? Use where to get more information about a place. For example, where was he going? Where were they staying in Mumbai? Use why to get more information about the reason. For example, why was he crying? Or, why were they hiding? Use when to get more information about the time the action happened. For example, when was the football match? Or, when were they dancing? Now you know how to form questions in the past using when, what, who, where, and why with was and were.